Hi, welcome to Hands On at Home with the Peoria Riverfront Museum. I'm Heather, the program manager, and today we're going to make bouncy balls. You'll need a couple of supplies to get started. A tablespoon of borax, a half cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of white glue, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and optional food coloring. You'll also need something to mix with and measuring utensils. Start by pouring the borax into the water and give it a good stir. You want to dissolve the borax. We're going to let this sit for 10 to 15 seconds. We're ready to pull it out and form the ball. Feel free to dunk it back in the borax solution if it's getting too sticky. Thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Hands On at Home. We look forward to seeing you next time, and a big thank you to our members and Visionary Society members for making programs just like this possible. See you next time.